Hi guys, I'm Mohammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing how can we do image rotation using OpenCV. So currently, OpenCV provides three different methods to rotate the image. One is using the rotate method, and other one is using get rotation matrix 2D and the warp affine methods, and third one is transpose. So we can start with rotate method. So rotate method basically takes two parameters. One is SRC, that is source of the image, and the other one is the rotate code. So this rotate code means where there are three type of rotate codes are available. Okay, one is CV2 dot rotate underscore 90 degree clockwise. This will says okay, the image has to rotate in the 90 degree clockwise. Okay, the second one is 90 degree counterclockwise rotation, and third one is the 180 degree rotation. Okay, that is a clockwise 180 degree rotation. So these are the three rotate code that is provided by OpenCV. So we can try to execute the code. So first what we can do, we can import CV2, then we can read the image cv2.imread, say $1 Now we can read the rows and columns and channel. Channel is not necessary here. Here we can say that image dot shape. Let me add more rows here. Okay. So we can try to use CV2 dot rotate. We can see that rotate. First we can rotate 90 degree. Okay. For that we can call CV2 dot rotate. Here we can give our image, then we can give second parameters, the rotation code, that is CV2 dot rotate 90 degree clockwise. Now let me write CV2 dot show rotated 90 degree. Then I can have to give the rotate 90 degree image. Then here I have to mention CV2 dot what we called wait key and CV2 dot destroy all windows. Okay, now let me run this code. Okay, let me see where it is. See, this is rotated 90 degree. Okay, now let me stop this. Let me copy and paste to. I'm going to copy and paste this to. We can change rotate CV2 dot what? Sorry. Here rotate 90 degree. Can change this counterclockwise. You can see that. See, so this is the counterclockwise rotation. Now we can try the third one. Okay, so I'm just doing copy and paste because I will upload this into Git so that like everybody can try to use this particular Jupyter notebook. Okay, so here rotate 180 degree. So let me make it rotate CV2 dot rotate 180 degree. Rotate 180 degree. See, this is the 180 degree clockwise rotation. Okay, so these are the three methods or three ways, three rotation codes available. So obviously there are some drawbacks, right? This can be done like 90, 90 and 180 degree, right? So what if like if I want to rotate into 30 degree and if I want to rotate into like maybe 45 degrees, something like that, then in that case this method has some challenges. The rotate method has some challenges. So here we have another method provided by the OpenCV. That is, let me delete this. That is, we can use the get rotation matrix 2D and the warp affine method. So in my last video, when we discussed about the translation, okay, we discussed about warp affine method, right, which accept a matrix. Okay, in our translation time, it was accepting like a 2 by 3 matrix. So here, this warp affine is expecting a matrix for the rotation. It is expecting a matrix that is cos theta minus sin theta, and cos theta format. So we can create this type of matrix using get rotation matrix 2D. Okay, so we can try to do some sample code here. So for that, first what we can do, we can create the matrix M. For that, we can do cvt dot get rotation matrix. Here we can see it is expecting a center, then angle, okay, then scale. These are the 3 things that is expected. Okay, so as a center, we already have the rows and columns, right? I can give here, I can do columns by 2, then rows by 2. Then it is expecting angle. Angle I can give minus 30. Then scale, okay, for the time being I will give scale as a 1. Okay. So this is our matrix. Now what we can do, we can create a rotate 30 image. This can be used warp affine method. This method expecting a image. Okay, so it is expecting a image, then it is expecting a M, then here it is expecting a calls and rows. Can give here. As usual, we can do, let me copy this, okay, to save time. I can just copy this, rotate 30 degree, and let me change this into rotate 90 degree, sorry, 30 degree. Let me execute this. See, this is clockwise direction rotation is happening. To rotate the counterclockwise, we need to remove this 30 to plus 30. Okay, here I can maybe, let me try with 130 also. See, this is working fine. Maybe I can give 180. Yes. Then for scaling, what we can do, if I give 0.5, then the size will be, scale will be reduced to half. Okay, you can give 0.75. See, now it is big. So the scaling can be controlled by this particular factor. For the time being, let me give 1 itself. Okay. Now we can discuss about the third option. That is transpose. Transpose is very simple. What we can do, we have a method called cv2 dot transpose. Here we can give the image. Then let me copy and paste this particular code here. Here I can have transpose. Here I can give the transpose. Okay, see, it is actually rotating. It is actually taking the transpose. Okay, so here also, like, we have a problem. It is actually doing the 90 degree format. This is happening. Okay, so these are the 3 different methods in which we can do the rotation in OpenCV. Okay, so I will upload this code to my Git repository. You guys can download and use it. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe.